Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Zydus Wellness. Our analyst maintains buy on Zydus Wellness with an unchanged price target of Rs 3,000. Subdued demand, seasonal vagaries and category specific issues led to muted revenue growth in FY24. However, Zydus maintained its leadership position in most categories it operates in. Strong summers led to a stellar performance in Q1 of FY25. Cash flow generation stayed strong with free cash flow at Rs 218 crore. Return ratios have bottomed out at 5% and are expected to see improvement going ahead. We expect Zydus to deliver a revenue CAGR of 14% and a PAT CAGR of 34% respectively over FY24 to 26, driven by distribution expansion, innovation, effective media and promotion and cost efficiencies. Stock has run up by 32% since our upgrade to buy on May 14 and currently trades at 37 times its FY25 and 29 times its FY26 estimated EPS. Next, we have an update on Nippon Life India Asset Management Limited. Our analyst maintains buy rating on NAM India with a price target of Rs 840. Strong retail flows and new innovative passive schemes are likely to support strong AUM growth going forward. We expect Nippon to deliver better than industry AUM growth. Steady earnings delivery will likely support the valuation in near to medium term. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 30.5 times its FY26 and 27.7 times its FY27 EPS estimates. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.